Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Wendell, local and long-distance movers near me. Preparing for your big move requires settling and handling multiple things, but when it comes to packing, stacking, and moving, you can remove that weight off your shoulders because we have you covered. Yes, we can provide you with your long-distance moving needs so that you don't have to stress about it, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of long-distance movers make it easier to relocate. We can help you move 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even 2,000 miles away. No matter how far you need to go, we can help you with your move. Hiring the services of an Idaho moving company for your local move just makes sense. Whether it's for business or your new home, it's a lot to work for or move, even locally. You won't have to do all the heavy lifting or worry about getting injured during the process. 3 Movers offers a great option for those looking to move locally. We can help you get to your new location faster and easier. Let us make your move easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wendell Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.